Welcome to another episode of DBTV. We've got a very special episode today. We're at Universo Ferrari. We've got some stunning cars, such as the Daytona SP3, the Monza, and the Purosangue outside. So come on the journey, let's take a closer look. So in this room, they talk about the Ferrari Classiche program, which is for more of the classic Ferraris, where they can send it back to the factory, certify that everything is still in factory format. And here we've got the Ferrari F40, which is for many people, the 1980s poster car. It looks absolutely stunning. So in this room in Universo Ferrari, they're displaying the Portofino M and the 488 Pista Spider, the Portofino M being the entry model Ferrari, and then obviously over there with the 488 Pista Spider, it's the limited edition version of the 488 Pista with, I think they only made around 800. What do you guys think of the Portofino M? Any fans out there? Well, I love the color on the Pista Spider. Let's check it out. So in this room, they cover the racing programs that Ferrari has. And on display here, they've got the 488 Challenge Evo, which is owned by our good friend Lawrence Escalante. It's been wrapped by Platinum One. Then here, we've got the 488 GT3 race car. This one, they race in the GT3 program. But in this room is very interesting. They explain the whole racing program that Ferrari has under the one umbrella, all the way up to the Corsa Clienti. I learnt a lot, and just amazing to see these cars here. So in this part of Universo Ferrari, they're showcasing all the models that Ferrari has for sale at the moment. With the newest one here, we've got the 296 GTS with the historic livery. Personally, I'm not a fan of the livery, but a lot of the people do. And then next to that, we got the 296 GTB without the livery. Actually, it looks a bit plain without the livery, doesn't it? Starting at around 800, 850,000. It should sell well here in Australia. We got the 812 Comp, which we saw at Ferrari Brisbane. It's actually the same model, so it's still a left-hand drive car. So we're not getting one, but it looks stunning in the white. And from there, we have SF90 Spider, which has got, again, similar livery to the 296 GTS. It looks stunning in this dark grey. I wonder what you guys think. It's got the bucket seats, the carbon bucket seats. So again, this has got the new steering wheel with a haptic touch, and the screen, the 812 Comp, Roma, all that started this interior design language. Yeah, I think it's a very classy, mean spec on this SF90. Thumbs up. And then here we have this, actually quite like this one, the Ferrari Roma. It looks like it's like in a satin silver grey finish. I haven't driven one. This is obviously a new segment class for Ferrari. We should take it for a drive, isn't it? Ferrari, come on, give us a call. So again, I think the Roma was the first one that introduced the newer steering wheel and the new infotainment, the new screen. I haven't had time to drive it much, but obviously this is where Ferrari is moving towards. It's meant to be a 2+2, but as you can see, there's not that much room in the actual back seat itself. So it's probably an occasional two-seater. But yeah, love to drive one. Beautiful interior though, beautiful. So in this room, Ferrari explains the tailor-made program that they have, which you can customize your new cars. So in here, we've got the SF90 tailor-made, which is owned by a good friend of ours, Matt Lattimore. We'll put his link down below. It looks, actually in real life, it looks stunning. It looks very, very unique, very, very cool. And on the other side, obviously, we've got an 812 GTS, which has been tailor-made. It's a custom-made color. It's a one-off color, and then it's got the pinstripe running through the side of the car. Very, very classy. And fingers crossed, we're hoping to do a custom 812 GTS in the Italy factory next year. So coming soon. So in this part of the exhibition, Ferrari are showcasing the Icona series, which launched a few years ago with the Monza, where they have the SP1 for the single-seater and this one, the SP2. The Iconas are only left-hand drive cars. Australia's got a few of them. I think, how many do they make? 399. V12 open-seater car. Looks amazing. The only thing I'd have to say is that obviously when you drive it on the road, there is a bit of wind and you kind of lose a bit of the V12 music. And then let's now check out the Daytona SP3. Actually, in real life, it looks bloody amazing. A few lucky Australians are getting this car, but it's only available in left-hand drive. Look at this, I've got the keys to the $5 million Daytona SP3. Let's check it out. Don't ask me to get in because it's bloody so hard. Look at that. What a beast. You want me to try to get in this thing in? Here we go. Oh, God. I failed. I need to get head first. I need to get my head in first. Heavy breathing, ASMR. Ooh, that actually looks sick. That's what $5 million look like. Universo Ferrari. Now we're going to go out and test drive the 296 around the car park.
As well, so have some fun. It's pretty chilled and pretty relaxed. It's not often you get to drive an $800,000 car around a car park at speed. So have fun, boys. That's right.
Hi there, I'm Chris. So we're in the new Ferrari 296 GTB, an amazing car. We've got these incredible carbon seats. This car, 840 horsepower. I can't speak highly enough, and I've driven a lot of brands. So today this is a Motorcana exercise. This is really just a bit of fun, but generally Motorcana exercise is more about vision and balance of the car rather than outright speed. Of course, you've got to remember where you're going. Are we ready? Let's go. And nice gentle stop.
So part of this Universo Ferrari, they had 3 296 GTBs. They set up a little bit of a gymkhana track. We got to do a few laps in it. And to be honest, I actually was impressed with the sound more today compared to when we did it at the Bend, because we had a helmet on and probably we're doing higher speeds. We didn't get to hear a lot of sounds, but actually from inside the cabin without the helmet, it sounded very good. So I look forward to actually driving this on the road. Again, Ferrari, contact me. So here we are in front of the Ferrari Purosangue here at Universo Ferrari. It looks stunning in real life. It's the first time obviously seeing it in the flesh. I'm lucky to say that been allocated one. Hopefully in early 2024, we're going to pick this up. It's going to be the new baby mobile. Be interested to see what you guys think, but I think you got to see it in real life instead of the photos. It's obviously Ferrari's first four-door, four car. They had the Lusso before, but that was only a two-door. So here it is, four-door, and it's got the V12. So let's take a closer look of this Ferrari Purosangue. Not bad. Good size. So there we go, Universo Ferrari at Sydney, Australia. What an amazing event, you know, all the way from the F1 car at the beginning, followed by the Classic A program, the current lineup, the tailor-made program, I forgot the race program, and then the Icona with the Daytona SP3 and the Monza. And we even had the, you know, the 296 Gymkhana around the car park. Finished off with the Ferrari Purosangue launch. It looks stunning, can't wait to get mine. So thank you Ferrari Australasia for organising this event and for having me here. What an amazing event. If you're liking the content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.
Can you say Ferrari? Ferrari?